Safety. First, our product's toys are EN71 Certified, which is most stringent certification defined by European standards for safety of babies and toddler. Every minor point is considered to give safest product to your baby. Ease of use and quality assurance. High-quality ABS plastic eco-friendly materials. Safe non-toxic 100% in line with the toy safety standards. Smooth edge design. Strong impact resistance. Protect children's hands. Fun and educational. School bus. Your child's fine motor skills, cognitive skills and construction skills can still be fun. This toy was especially designed with an underlining intellectual approach, specifically for special education therapists, preschool teachers and occupational therapists for toddler and children ages 3 years and up. To independent on/off switch, universal wheel and power switch are separate set to facilitate operation.Flexible universal wheel design. When the bus touches something it will automatically change direction.Omni wheel can allow the school bus unrestricted to move in all directions. Rugged or smooth road can be driven.Need 3AA battery excluded. Animal expression and fantasy gear. Flip it sideways can see vivid and interesting animal expression, angry or happy. Let the children learn more animals. Rotate the colorful gear with the hand. 4 gears will rotate together. Stimulate the child's curiosity. Let the baby learn to think. Encourage the baby's color recognition and hand-eye coordinated development.
Thanks for watching JP Store. Please do subscribe, like, share.
Thanks for watching JP Store. Like and subscribe this video. Subscribe our JP Store channel.